Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of passive income and demystify how you can start making money online without trading your precious time for dollars. We've all heard about the allure of passive income, sipping margaritas on a beach while the money rolls in. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not just a dream. Though it's not as simple as pushing a magic "make money" button, with the right strategies and some upfront work, you can absolutely build reliable passive income streams online. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future money tips and tricks. Let's start by explaining the concept of passive income. Passive income is money you earn without having to actively trade your time. Once you build the system, it generates income for you whether you're working on it or not. This is different from active income, like a job, where you only get paid for the hours you directly put in. The beauty of passive income, especially online, is that it's highly scalable. There's no cap on your earning potential like there is with a salary. And thanks to the power of the internet, you can reach a global audience and make money while you sleep. But before you can live the laptop lifestyle, you need to put in the work up front to build your passive income machine. This is where most people get it twisted. They think passive means no work, but that's not the case. The work just happens at the beginning, then the income becomes passive over time. So what are some of the best ways to generate passive income online? Here are a few of my favorites. 1. Creating and selling digital products. This could be ebooks, courses, templates, printables, you name it. Package up your knowledge or skills into a product, automate the sales process, and you've got passive income. The key is to create something that provides real value and solves a problem for your target audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. If you don't want to create your own products, you can sell other people's products and earn a commission. Find products or services you genuinely recommend, promote them to your audience, and earn a cut of the profits. Just be sure to only promote high-quality products and always disclose your affiliate relationships. 3. Display ads. If you have a website or YouTube channel with decent traffic, you can turn on display ads and earn money from advertisers. The more eyeballs you get on your content, the more passive income you make. Focus on creating valuable content that attracts your target audience and the ad revenue will follow. 4. Licensing. Got a talent for photography, music, art, or design? You can license your work and collect royalties. Every time someone uses your photo in a blog post or your song in a YouTube video, you get paid. Build up a portfolio of work and watch the passive income flow. 5. Online rental businesses. Thanks to platforms like Turo and Airbnb, you can rent out your car, parking space, or extra room and generate semi-passive income. You'll have to manage bookings and maintenance, but the income is largely passive once you're set up. Just be sure to comply with any local laws or HOA rules. 6. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party vendor and have it sent directly to the customer. You profit off the retail markup. The advantage is not having to store or ship products yourself. 7. Investment income. Okay, this one's not entirely passive since you do have to research and manage your investments. But investing in assets like dividend-paying stocks, REITs, and bonds can provide regular passive income. The key is to automate your investments and stay disciplined. Don't try to time the market or make emotional decisions. Those are just a few ideas to get you started, but the possibilities for building passive income online are virtually endless. The important thing is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle goals. Now, you might be thinking, sure, this sounds great, but how much money can one truly make from passive income? Well, that depends on a lot of factors, like the strategies you use, the niche you're in, and how much time and effort you put in upfront. But here's the beauty of passive income: your earnings can compound over time. Let's say you're passionate about collecting toys and sharing your knowledge with others. You start a blog about vintage action figures and earn just $1 per day from display ads. No, you're not going to get rich off that. But what if you reinvest your earnings to create more content and grow your traffic? In a year, you could be earning $30 per day, or $900 per month. In 5 years, you could be earning $150 per day, or $4,500 per month. That's the magic of compounding passive income. Of course, those are just hypothetical numbers, and there's no guarantee of success. Building real passive income takes time, effort, and a willingness to experiment and fail forward. But the potential upside is massive. So if you're ready to trade your time for money and start building passive income online, where should you start? Here's my advice. 1. Identify your niche. What topics do you know a lot about? What skills do you have that others would pay to learn? Choose a niche at the intersection of your knowledge, interests, and market demand. 2. Choose your platform. Will you start a blog, YouTube channel, online store, or something else? Each platform has its pros and cons. Pick one that aligns with your strengths and niche. 3. Create valuable content. No matter what strategy you use, you need to provide real value to your audience. Focus on creating high-quality, problem-solving content that resonates with your target market. 4. Build an audience. To make passive income, you need people to consume your content or buy your products. Build an email list, grow your social media following, and nurture relationships with your audience. 5. Monetize and scale. With an audience in place, you can then begin monetizing. Experiment with different income streams and double down on what works. Reinvest your earnings into growing your business. The process of creating passive income takes time and effort, but it's so worth it. Imagine being able to design your ideal lifestyle, without worrying about trading time for money. That's the power of passive income. But it's not going to happen by itself. You need to take action and start building your passive income machine today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So what do you think? Are you ready to start your passive income journey? Let me know in the comments what strategies you're most excited to try. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Let's spread the word about the power of passive income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay passive, my friends.